Twitter is a great platform for connecting with people and growing your brand, sharing news and thoughts. However, if you're looking to keep your tweets private, there are a few steps you can take. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Twitter account private. To get started, first make sure you are using the latest version of the Twitter application, and once you do that, go ahead and open it up. And when you are on the Twitter homepage, tap on your profile picture icon at the top left-hand side of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. And then when you are on the settings screen, you will see a bunch of options. So from these options, tap on Privacy and Safety, the fourth option. After that, tap on the very first option, Audience and Tagging. And then the first option is Protect Your Tweets, and it says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So go ahead and tap on that, and that will make your Twitter account private. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.